Hello and welcome to Victorian Snippets. Laundry Day was a weekly occurrence in a Victorian household because of two reasons. One, the game-changing innovations of the Industrial Revolution, and two, the increasing knowledge and concern over sanitation. The Industrial Revolution gave Victorian homemakers a lightweight metal washboard, which could easily be carried around, and, if one could afford it, a glass washboard for delicates. And soap was now mass-produced and used. What did a Victorian laundry day look like? First of all, the person in charge of the laundry had to make sure that their calendar was cleared for at least a day and a half, and a good strong back and strong arms were required as well. A typical load of laundry would first be soaked overnight in lye or soap. The next morning, a large copper pot would be filled with water, and the water would be brought to a rolling boil. Several other buckets of water would also be placed nearby. Each piece was then removed from the overnight soak and scrubbed using the washboard. It was then turned inside out and scrubbed again. All the white pieces, which was most of them, were placed in the boiling water and then moved about with a large, heavy washing bat. And that's basically just a big paddle. They were then removed, wrung out, and put into the final rinse. After being rinsed and wrung out, the pieces were then hung on the line or laid over a bush to dry. What about those big dresses? They were given a good brushing, treated for stains, and pressed. If they were cotton, they could be hand washed, but no boiling. Stains were treated with buttermilk, kerosene, sour milk, chalk, alcohol, turpentine, onion water, and urine on occasion. Stains on morning dresses were treated with figs. Although washing was indeed a laborious chore, the one that gave the homemakers the most angst was ironing. Ironing was done with a cast iron flat iron, also called a sad iron. Why sad? These irons each weighed 5 to 10 pounds. This upgraded model has a chamber for hot coals, so it would keep the heat longer. Although laundry is currently listed as the second most hated chore, after seeing what our Victorian foremothers had to go through, perhaps we'd best not complain so much. See you soon.